total wellness for your body and mind. Achieve your optimal health through massage, flow therapy, acupuncture, infrared sauna, kinesiology, psychology, counseling, life coaching, and so much more. Visit City Cave, West Ipswich, or their new centre at Springfield. Online at citycave.com.au.
But in a second, Hingers, we are going to take a track from our brand new feature album.
Oh, that was close.
Girl in Red.
Fuck
and
me.
it's a song that includes...
To Triple J.
I've been doing this way too much. I've been living in a dead-end rush. I am a fool for the name of love. I told keep the rude boy. Keep the rude boy. Keep the rude boy. Cowboy. It's the week of the dance. I don't want to put it down. Call up the ram. Rock the room and I'll be rock to your man. I don't want to come corrupt and come again. It's the week of the dance. I don't want to put it down. Call up the ram. Rock the room and I'll be rock to your man. I don't want to come corruption. You can't test this corner. We are the really corner. Treat me gun like y'all. Caress me water, the thing and let me beat it harder. First time when I stop the head up for my friends, them I say leave it farther. I got a man down there to the street, no cares. That thing is deep on the lava. I'm gonna reach for the llama. See the kids when I beat the star. I read for the street, I'm a dogger. Me and the water, I'm in the soldier. It's fancy, I keep coming out. Star, pop when I'm riding out. I feel this straight. It's gonna look.
Interesting.
The drama heats up, the cracks begin to show.
Can we talk about the hundreds of lives she has ruined?
Stream the brand new season of The Real Housewives of Salt Lake City now, only on HeyU. Head to heyu.com to try for free.
Hey love, just letting you know I've left a tub of Gippsland dairy yogurt in the fridge for you. It looks delish. Okay, bye. It's me again.
Naughty.